today I'm going to do the hiccups challenge. And the hiccups challenge is where you need water, a cup of water, and you have to chug it in under a minute, and the cup is going to be, like, I don't know, decent. Like, not so big, not so small, but it's going to be good. So, I'm going to get a cup, get a barrel, and by the way, you will get hiccups again if you don't drink it under a minute. So this is usually what I do when I have hiccups. I just chug my water and then it's gone. Okay, ready? So it's full. I need to pour a little bit. There's like that much in. I need to pour out a tiny bit. Okay, I'm gonna chug this, and we'll see if it's good. And wait, first, comment down below what your favorite drink is, and you could do that at the end of the video, or you could do it right now. So I don't care, but you have to do that. So down here, yeah, because there's no other one. Like usually it's on that side. But not, I've never watched YouTube on a computer, so I have no idea what it's like. So. Done. Done that in 17 seconds? Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Okay. So I'm done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below what your favorite drink is. I just reminded you. So you can do it now, because it's the end of the video, or if you see it another time, comment on the other time. But you need to do it, so, well, if you want. You don't have to, but at least 5 have to do it. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Like, subscribe, comment down below. I don't know. Comment down below what your favorite drink is. And bye.